Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to set a reminder for a space on Twitter. Setting a reminder ensures you don't miss out on live discussions and events that interest you on Twitter. So, let's get started on how to set a reminder for a space on Twitter. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Spaces. Scroll down to the calendar section to view upcoming spaces. Find the space you're interested in and tap on it. Select Set Reminder to receive a notification when the space starts. And that's how you can set a reminder for a space on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.